So we have here the front right low beam headlight is not working, and if you looked at the dashboard you can see the code 20. In this video I'll show you how to replace the bulb and reset the message. So this is the bulb that I bought. It's 12 volt 55 watt and it's compatible with a wide range of cars. I put a link in the description box and this is how it looks like. Let's head out and open the bonnet, and you'll notice there are two headlights. The one that's faulty in this car is the right hand side one, but because it's tricky to get the camera in this tight space, I'll show you how to replace it in the left hand side one, and it's exactly the same in both. First thing is remove the cover with a simple twist, and to take the bulb out just press on the bottom plastic release tab and take the holder out. Let me show you a close-up of the holder, and this is the plastic release tab that you need to press on to get the holder out. Now to take the bulb out, just pull out with slight movement and it will come out. Now get the new bulb and notice the metal nip. It will guide you into how to put it back in. So the metal nip would go on the other side of the plastic release tab. So just position the two metal bases in their slots and push down. And now put back the holder in its original place, and the plastic release tab goes on the bottom of course, and just give it a small push until you hear a click. And now most importantly, check if it's working and check again before driving at night. And the code 20 disappeared from the dashboard. If you've watched the video up to this point and found it useful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. And if you'd like to use the same product I've used, I've put in a link in the description box.